good afternoon, I'm Belle. Welcome back and thank you for watching on how to train a healthy mindset. Today, I'm going to talk on topic 3, which is reframe. So, first of all, reframe using what? Using our mind. I want to bring your attention to what is frame. So, frame is the meaning that we give towards the things that happen around us. Something happened to you, it's actually nothing, it shouldn't affect you, but you put the meaning into it and that's how you feel something. So to train a healthy mindset, you need to first understand what is the frame that you put towards the things that affect you, affect your feeling, and then reframe it. Of course, what I'm saying is, when you have something good happening in your life, you want to keep that frame. When you have something unpleasant that happened to you, you want to know the frame that you put, the meaning that you put into towards that thing, and then reframe it. So, I want to bring you to a small exercise. So, in this, what do you see? You can see the word impossible, right? What else can you see? Just try to think. It can be impossible. Same spelling, same word, but you just change the frame. You change the meaning towards it. You see how simple that is? Let's go to another exercise. So now, what do you see? You see the word fear, right? So a lot of times, what stops us from doing anything is that we have this fear. We have this fear of rejection. We have the fear to step out of our comfort zones. We have the fear to being rejected by the people we love. We have the fear of being in public. So this is the meaning that you put towards the word fear. So what can we reframe about the word fear? Okay, let's look at this now. This is Raif, which is the reverse spelling of the same exact word that you put meaning into. Now I'm gonna install a new meaning for you. So RAEF, if you Google it, it actually means kind and compassion. So right now, the next time you feel fear, you summon upon the Raif in you, because every human being have kindness and compassion installed within them since the day we are born. So, do you get the idea how reframing is very, very important? Because as Alan Watts have said before, I don't remember the exact words, but something like, all the things are not things. It's what we put meaning into it. So right now, everything that happens to you, you just try and think what's going on and how does it make you feel. Notify yourself like what the frame you put towards this thing, and then look at a different perspective to reframe it. We cannot solve a problem if you look at it in the original perspective. This is what Charles Thompson has said. Thank you for watching.